Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have a Nucypher new daily update. We are going to see the next price targets, and before we begin I have a special announcement for the Signals group on Patreon/Mind Your Crypto. We are going to add the exact leverage that you should be taking, and of course if you have a high risk, low risk or medium risk with taking a leverage position, very specific details on buying and selling signals. Very nice information going on. Join us and you won't regret it. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day. Let's go to Nucypher against USD. So this altcoin is very well known for its sudden pumps and dumps. Okay, the most important pump was back then on 15 October 2021 that we had a plus 377% in just one day. Do not think though that it will be doing this all the time. This is a serious altcoin that pumps and dumps every single time, okay, and you should be extremely careful. Right now what we have for Nucypher against USD is that we have an incredible amount of risk with the commodity channel index sitting at 600. Okay, it has begun insanely high. Look at that, 100% in a single day. It is not like we can do easily and more of a pump, right? Okay, eventually many people have in their mind this pump of Nucypher and they think that it will be repeated again and again. But right now it should not be the case. I want you to be very careful, and we will be going through Nucypher very thoroughly. Let's see first the Nucypher against Bitcoin chart. And right now, new against BTC approached the 2.618 Fibonacci extension that we had, drawing the Fib from the bottom on 12 May to the top on 23rd and back to the bottom on 31st May. It is very possible, and on the daily frame we close even below the 0.50938. Okay, so this should be a very huge correction coming in for new against Bitcoin chart. You need to be extremely careful. 91 RSI on the 4-hour frame can lead into a disastrous correction for Nucypher against Bitcoin chart, leading all the way down to the 0.50938, a minus 12%, and the minus 28 after. If we go further down than this target rate here, then we are going all the way down as well. I'm going to draw a Fibonacci retracement from this bottom to this top so we can see some important support levels. The first one is the 0.401064. I think that we are going to easily lose that. Then we are going towards the 0.5095 and we're going towards the 0.508666. Could be the case that we are going down there, could be the case that we are going all the way massively, even today, down to the 0.508066. Okay, Nucypher against Bitcoin chart right here. Because of Nucypher, it is very likely that we are going to see maybe something different, but I doubt about that. Okay. Right now, normally I would tell you that because if it is Nucypher, we can pump more, but at this time we have crazily high risk. The price analysis doesn't look good in order to have more of a pump. And right now, if you take it out and we have the trend-based Fibonacci extension, you will see that the best line right here is the 0.319. But if we close above this on the daily frame, okay, this is what I'm telling you. On the daily frame, I know that we are above right now, I know that we have crossed it above, but if we close down from the 0.3193, then forget about it. Nucypher against USD is going further down massively into the 0.2557 and so on. On the 4-hour frame, we have a crazily high risk. I know that now the price analysis seems okay. I know that for now, Nucypher against USD seems pretty fine. Look at that, right? We just corrected a little bit, and right now it's struggling to get even further down. But I think that the time will come and we will drop further more. In the meantime, I wouldn't suggest you get into Nucypher. The best thing it can do maybe it is to go to the 0.42 before it falls down, but other than that, it is not capable of going even higher. Nucypher is just something that investors are seeing as a pump and dump. So for the example, they take some crazily long positions for Nucypher, they get them plus 100%, and then they dump this coin. Okay, so I would say just be careful, be tons of careful about it. I think that personally for me, we are about to see some important support levels. I think that we will manage to go back down into the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement, which is the 0.2774. Okay, so we are going back down there, we are going to correct, and this is a minus 18% correction. If this is going to correct, we will be going down furthermore into the 0.25 and into the 0.21 again. So if you missed the hype train and if you didn't ride the train right here, I would suggest you to just stay a bit away from it and of course observe the market for now. Nucypher against Bitcoin chart right here is doing some impressive things, but in overall, I think that this pump right here will be very quick and then the dump is going to be followed. I want to protect you from pump and dump coins, and this is what I'm trying to do right now. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription, patreon/mindyourcrypto, and of course see you soon with many more videos. Bye.